What's up guys, Dave here from thegadgetbook.com. Today we've got a unboxing and a quick look at the Supreme burner phone. So having a look around the box, you will be able to notice some specifications of the phone. It does have 3G, a 2.4 inch display and can hold up to 32GB of memory. So jumping straight into the box, you will be able to notice we have the phone first, followed by some accessories such as the charger, the charging brick, the battery and also an instructions manual, and also a SD card adapter followed by a memory card which is 16GB. So one of the main features of this phone is that it can hold 2 SIM cards. So when you open the back, you will be able to notice there's a slot for 2 SIM cards and the micro SD slot. So this phone is so popular and comes around $150 or £150 depending on where you are in the country and depending on what time you buy it. The reason for that is because of the Supreme branding, as you've probably guessed already. I've personally picked this up for a collectibles item, so I'm not going to actually turn it on or anything like that. I'm keeping it brand new in the box. So the phone also does come in a black version as well. If you do actually want me to turn it on, leave a comment in the comment section, and if we do get enough, I might just do that. Also, if you picked one of these up, let me know in the comment section, hit the subscribe button and click the like button, and as always, we'll catch you in the next video.